Hi everyone. So my lesson is going to be geared towards a Spanish 1 class. The theme for this lesson falls under Unidad de Comida, Celebraciones y Familia. It is it's gonna be a part of the unit about meals, celebrations, and family. The standards that they will be covering for this one are posted right here. The first one up here is interpretive communication. They're going to have to watch a video and a story, and they're going to have to demonstrate understanding from that because we're going to have a discussion about the video and the story. The second one is interpersonal communication, and for that one they're going to work with a partner on creating some sentences. They're going to be writing, so they're going to be doing both writing and talking and writing and speaking as well. For this particular lesson, we're going to focus on DiaDeLosMuertos, and it's a celebration that is done with family, and it has to do with family. For the very first part, we would watch a video. This is a video right here. It's hard to see that it is one, but that's a video, and then this one is a video of a picture book. And what's cool about this one is it tells them about Day of the Dead, and it also has a translation, so they get both. This one doesn't have the translation, but it has a lot of vocabulary and pictures and images, which is really nice. At the end of the videos, we would have a class discussion about the importance of Dia de los Muertos and how it connects back to meals and celebration and family. So that's how we would tie that in there. So for the activity for this lesson, we would be doing an activity where they talk about the person that passed away and who they want to remember. So for the activity, they would have to write 2 to 3 sentences where they talk about this person, and they would be able to work with a partner to write their sentences. And then up here it just has some terminology, some words that they would need to know. So what does honrar mean? What does recordar mean? The words for the person that passed away, el difunto, el muerto, and then words that mean pass away, so morir, fallecer. But there's more than one way to say it. Same for that, for the difunto and el muerto. So it's good that they have all those words, in the back of their mind for this lesson. For this lesson, since they're writing their oraciones, I have sentence frames, which would help the students that are learning the Spanish as well as the English learners, because they're having to write the sentences, and it has sentence frames here for them to support them. And I have the translations here. So this is just a little example, like I have the people that they can choose from. Right here it has yo quiero honrar a, and it's going to tell, they're going to write who they're going to honor or who they're going to remember. So it's the familiares are all right here, so they can choose from this list, and it has a translation for them. I would also have a list for them. It's not on here, but I would have a list for them where they have different types of food, different types of activities, and personality traits too, so that they can use those for these sentences if the ones that they choose. They don't have to do all of these. They're only choosing 2 to 3. So they're going to choose the 3 that they want, and they're going to fill them in. And then down here, this just has a little bit of a review of what was here. So that's all that is right here. But this would be right here, yo quiero honrar a. They would choose who they're writing about. And then what I really like about this is that hypothetically, they would have learned the past tense for some of these verbs. So like era, gustaba, tenía, because it is in the past tense. So it's the person has passed away, so it's things that, what they used to be like, what they used to like, things that they used to do. And that's what is really nice about this lesson. It would be incorporating that skill into it. If you have any questions or you have any feedback for me or any ideas, please let me know. I really, how to just I have a list of ideas of things that I would want to do for Dia de los Muertos with the students. So, I think this is a good start. One of the follow-up activities that I think would be kind of cool with this is that they would create an altar, una ofrenda for this person, and they would make like a list of items that would go on the ofrenda, on the altar for the person that they chose to talk about. So like that would be like the next thing. So I mean, if you have any other ideas or any other suggestions for this, that would be great. Or if there's any way I could make this lesson better, I'm totally open and would love to hear your feedback. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.